Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about cell. So first the structure. This is the structure of a typical animal cell. Okay. So what is there? We'll see the components. You are finding the vesicles, Golgi bodies, RER, SER, centrosomes, centriole, lysosomes, microtubules, mitochondria, microfilaments, ribosomes. Okay. Then the nucleus, nucleolus, okay, and then you are finding outer plasma membrane. Let us see the functions of each organelle. First will be the RER. RER is for protein synthesis. SER is for the synthesis and metabolism of the lipids and steroids, along with calcium and also the excretion of the toxic material. Golgi apparatus, process, package and label the proteins and lipids. Whatever the synthesis and metabolism happen, all these will be transported through the Golgi apparatus. It is like a vehicle which will deliver from one place to another. That's how it is. Lysosome. It is called the suicidal bag of the cell. Okay. So all the worn out substances, excess substances will be broken down, and it will secrete two important substances, the perforin and the granzymes. And then the peroxisomes. Peroxisomes is where most of the metabolisms will happen. The bile acids, gluconeogenesis, purine metabolism, fatty acids, okay? And okay, so these are the main things. And the centrosome will be the chromosomal movement during the cell division. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is called powerhouse of the cell. What should be there? ATP, very important. Ribosome, protein synthesis. Okay. Cytoskeleton is to control all the activities of the cell. The same thing nucleus will do. But what is special in the nucleus? The central dogma and the protein synthesis also will be carried out in the nucleus. But ribosome is the chief protein factory. Okay, but just remember in nucleus, the central dogma of molecular biology happens here. Then the transcription, translation, genetic code, everything happens in the nucleus here. Such a important organ, that is why we call it the master controller of the cell. Okay. References from where I took the pictures. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.